Hello everyone, if you're here today it's because you want to learn to do Pas Classique female variation for beginners level, am I right? Well, today I have a very easy version of the variation and I'm sure that you're going to enjoy it. So say that, let's get to it. In the center of the classroom, you're going to turn to your right diagonal, butt tendu to the back, right leg on the back, and when the music begins we are going to do demi-plie in first position, open your right arms, 5, 6, left, 7, 8, demi-plie in fourth position. Tendu to the side with right leg, piqué passé. Demi-plie, we are going to do pas de chat. Right leg is going to open to a second position relevé, and left leg is going to follow it, like this. And we are going to do demi-plie in fifth position, attitude forward, right leg on attitude. Demi-plie, pas de bourrée, faster, 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 coupé to the back. Pas de bourrée, coupé in front, pas de bourrée en tournant. Right, left, plie. And we are going to repeat everything to the left. Piqué passé, plie, pas de chat, open, open, demi-plie in fifth. Attitude, demi-plie. Fast pas de bourrée, coupé to the back. Fast pas de bourrée, coupé in front. And now we are going to walk back to the diagonal, butt tendu, in front, same arm, same leg. From here we are going to do petit développé to the side, piqué soutenu, plie, relevé. And repeat again. Petit développé, piqué soutenu, plie, relevé. Demi-plie, pas de bourrée en tournant. 5, 6, 7, fifth position. And repeat. Petit développé, piqué soutenu, plie, relevé. Petit développé 4, piqué soutenu, plie, relevé. And we are going to walk to the diagonal in front, left leg in front, arm to the side. From here we are going to move to the diagonal back and we are going to do tombe coupé plie, stretch to the side, pas de bourrée. Second time, tombe coupé plie, open to the side, pas de bourrée. We're going to do plie, pas de bourrée, plie, pas de bourrée, fifth position. And repeat everything again. Tombe coupé plie, open, pas de bourrée. Tombe, open. And now we are going to go again to the center of the stage. Classical pose. From this classical pose we are going to do demi-plie, coupé forward, fondue that moves to the diagonal on the left. Demi-plie, fondue. Demi-plie to the side, both arms open, plie fifth position to the back, relevé. Now we're going to change the spot to the right diagonal. Demi-plie, open, demi-plie, demi-plie together, both arms open, fifth position on the back, relevé. We're going to repeat again, both sides. Plie, fondue, plie, fondue, plie, together, relevé. Plie, fondue, plie, fondue, plie, together, plie, relevé. Now we have two more and we are going to do it a little bit bigger, 45 degrees. Demi-plie, fondue, demi-plie, fondue, demi-plie together, demi-plie fifth position, détourné. And we're going to do left side. Demi-plie, 45 degrees, demi-plie, 45 degrees, demi-plie together, demi-plie, relevé. Now from here we are going to move slowly to one of the corners in front of us, and depending which one is our best side for turning, I would recommend you to either go to the right or to the left. From here we are going to do very small little jumps that change legs. Demi-plie and change. 1, 2, 3, 4. Plie, plie, relevé, and change again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Dandy. And this is how it looks like. Change, 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 change. Now we don't go up and down, we just stay plie, we stay the same level. From this butt tendu we are going to do piqué, left leg on the back, piqué, left, left on the back, and now we are going to add a turn, plie, and repeat again. 1, 2, 3, Last time we're going to do it going to the diagonal. 1, 2, piqué soutenu, demi-plié, petit développé forward, pose. For a video like this one, I would recommend you to click right here or check down below the description of this video. I'm going to leave a ton of links for you on how to improve your ballet technique. So go ahead, click your next video and let me know how it goes.